San Francisco. The bridge, the hills, the fog. And you're stuck reading a plaque. Overpriced group tours. A guide rushing you down Lombard Street. Past the Palace of Fine Arts with zero time to actually take it in. Uvamai's San Francisco self-guided audio tour hands you 19 iconic and hidden stops. From the Golden Gate Bridge to the wild parrots of Filbert Steps. For just $6, your private access link arrives straight to you, audio guides, and an interactive map ready whenever you are. No group, no rush, your city, your pace for up to 6 days. Stand beneath the Golden Gate Bridge and hear the secret wartime strategy behind its design. Wind down the curves of Lombard Street, the world's crookedest block. Wander the dreamlike ruins of the Palace of Fine Arts. Climb the 16th Avenue tiled steps, a hidden mosaic staircase most visitors never find. Meet the wild parrots of Filbert Steps. 19 stops, finally told in full. Travelers from around the world have chosen Uvamai because they wanted to actually understand San Francisco, not just photograph it. $6. 19 San Francisco stories. Your pace, your story. Get your access link now at uvamai.com.